Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. I'm making another Crocktober dish, and this time it's dessert. So I'm taking 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and I want to mix that up really well. Now I want to take a half a cup of milk and pour it into my flour mixture, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just eyeballing it. Now I just want to mix that up really well. And now I just want to pour that into the bottom of my crock pot. I forgot to spray my crock pot, but it really wasn't that bad. But I do recommend that you probably should spray it. I've got to get every bit of that chocolatey goodness. Now I want to mix together 3/4 a cup of brown sugar and 1/4 a cup of cocoa. Once it's mixed, you just want to sprinkle it over the top of your flour mixture. Now you want to pour in 1 3/4 cup of boiling water. Just pour it over the top, and you do not want to stir it. Just pour it in, then put your lid on, and you will cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours. Mine I cooked just a little bit over 2. Now I want to do the toothpick test. So I just poke it in the middle to make sure it comes back out clean. Now it's time to give this a try. Oh, it was so good. Goodbye, keto. It was nice knowing you. And what is hot fudge cake without a little bit of vanilla ice cream to go with it? That chocolate oozy goodness, I just dipped it right over the ice cream. Want a bite? Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. What do you think about my hot fudge cake? And until next time, bye y'all.